In the blizzard, the retired search rescue dog warms the frozen pigeon with its body. The soaked dog stubbornly guards the pigeon against the cold. The pigeon opens eyes. The dog smiles tiredly but relieved. The pigeon flies off with the letter. The dog collapses in exhaustion. Snow covered. The dog struggles to stand, falls, and whimpers. The once rescued stray cat leads townspeople to save the dog. Townspeople rush with blankets, anxiously rescuing the brave dog. Wrapped in a blanket, the dog stirs. A half metal slips. People lift the dog gently. The cat stays, warmth chasing the cold. The dog recovers. The metal shines. Kindness and bravery remembered.